Wow, I think it's day 7 of our 12 days of Christmas, and we're starting to get pretty relaxed in the holiday season. We now have a product called Ute Slides here. This guy is a full-size slide, works really well in tub or style-sized ute. This I can put my fridge on, I can put my gear on and pull it all the way out, all the way back. Come and check out the Ute Slides. Only a few left. I'll have to go and check with the boss how many we have here, but we're not getting any more till next year. So please come and check out our Ute Slides. Limited stock available. Talk to the boss. They sell so fast here at SEQ Campers. Come in here, day 7 of 12 Days of Christmas, Sunshine Coast.